Hi, so I'll be unboxing this Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. The box cost is 14,400 rupees, but we got this phone in 11,999, which is actual MRP on Amazon, but we have not bought this on Amazon. We have got it from the dealer here in Lucknow. So I'll be unboxing this. So I'll remove this seal, and so this is the phone. This is in black color, which is 32 GB ROM. RAM is 3 GB. There are some holograms like IMEI of 2 SIMs, so there are like 2 SIMs in this box, in this phone, and this is the SNR ratio and all. So these are the like brandings and everything mentioned over here. So let's go ahead, let's keep the phone aside for some time. We'll open what all is there in the box. So this is the SIM removal tool, the manual, the quick start guide, which comes in 2 variants, English and Hindi, regional log guide. So we'll just keep all these things aside. This is the charger, data cable, the earphone. We'll all keep this aside as of now. So nothing apart from this comes in the box. Let's go ahead and turn on the device. The specification of the phone is like mentioned: 3 GB RAM, fingerprint scanner, 13 megapixel back and 5 megapixel front camera, with 14 regional languages, duos, which is like dual SIM, Indian SIM card only. So this is like only for Indian SIM card, which is like actually logged. And like this is box is like the box. Let's go ahead and just turn the device on. I'm turning this on. This is metal body, camera, the flash, the mic, the data port, the USB microphone jack. The phone is starting. The front camera, the volume rocker buttons on the left. This is the SIM, only SIM, and this is like SD and SIM card. So the device is on. So we have a nice AMOLED display, and here you go. So this I have already set up in Hindi, settings and all. So we'll go ahead, we'll change the setting as of now. Let's go ahead and put the SIM inside with the SIM removal tool. So I have this BSNL SIM. There it is. Okay, so it is here, and we have a Vodafone 4G SIM which I got just now. So this is actually a micro SIM. We'll convert it to nano because the device accepts nano. I'll put the first SIM over here in the first slot. So yeah, let's go ahead and fit this back. The adapter, the SIM adapter. 1 second, I'm like, this is not fitting. Okay, done. And the other SIM in the SD card slot. So this is the slot for the SIM, and this is for SD card, which is up to 256 GB. You can upgrade it till 256 GB. So all the SIM setup is done. I'll show you. So right now there is no network as of now. So we'll go ahead and we'll see. We can see that the mobile data SIM1, SIM1, SIM1. What I'll do, okay, there is a network in SIM1, sorry, SIM2. Okay, the first SIM is not yet activated, that's why there is no network in this. What we'll do, we'll just open the camera and show you few things about the camera. So the camera is like really amazing. As you can see, the camera quality is really nice. And dual, this is not a dual camera, but the image of stabilization is good. You can set up all these things, so like BSNL, these all things are notifications, timer, the flashlight, so you can see nice. This is the recorder tool, recording button. I find this device good because this has a metal body and there's a tempered glass already installed in this device. Right now we have got a cover also for this. So overall the device is good. You can go ahead and purchase the device, and you can go and see the settings also from here, like about phone devices. There is a latest update of Nougat, model number, the device name. Let's go back and see, like Google, you can actually add all these things, sim and everything. So battery, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flight mode, and everything is there. So the device is good. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.